The last of it. Now we just wait for the engines to warm.
It's clear ahead.
Keep the strokes even. Make sure to cover the edges. Looking good, almost done with this section. The chassis is secured. Proceed with the lift. Watch the pressure on number 4.
Keep pulling hard. It's really stuck in there. Yeah, this velvet is rotten.
The rich mahogany has been hidden for decades, slowly revealing its true beauty.
Just a little to the left. Perfect.